This is Bandra Bazaar Road. This is water up to the waist. And the current over here is amazing. It doesn't let you go. This is waist leg water, waist up to the waist. ओ भैया भजिया है क्या? ओ भैया, ओ भैया, भजिया है क्या? Hi Jitesh. What has gone into your shop? How much? Just show. I had no intention of shooting this. I have not bought my camera. I am shooting on the mobile phone. I can't allow my camera to get spoiled in the rains. It's a big price to pay. So I'm shooting with my mobile phone. I don't know how far I have ventured from my house, but this area is the most dangerous spot. You see all the water flowing from here? Just see the water flow. And from here it is going towards Bandra Reclamation. It's like an outlet. And this water goes this way, into a by-lane of Bandra Bazaar Road. And this side is going there. And all the water is coming from both the sides of Bandra Bazaar Road. And actually all the water is coming from Bandra Hill Road. Because Bandra Bazaar Road is a low-level area. So I'll now try to move back to my house through the other road.